Johnny Depp has accused Amber Heard of starting a relationship with Elon Musk just a month after they married in 2015. Depp's claims stem from a $50 million defamation lawsuit that he filed against his ex-wife after she accused him of domestic violence, a claim that Depp says is an elaborate hoax. In the lawsuit obtained by People, the actor alleged that Heard, 32, would receive late-night visits from Musk while Depp was out of the country filming. Depp also claims that the Tesla founder was allowed into the couple's Los Angeles home on the same night Heard presented her battered face to the public. Heard and Depp separated in May 2016. According to People, a representative for Musk claims that Elon and Amber didn't start seeing each other until May 2016. Their relationship didn't become romantic until sometime later, the representative said. His attorney, Eric M. George, said in a statement to the magazine, "This frivolous action is just the latest of Johnny Depp's repeated efforts to silence Amber Heard. She will not be silenced. Mr. Depp's actions prove he is unable to accept the truth of his ongoing abusive behavior." Last December, Heard wrote an article for the Washington Post in which she said she had received death threats and lost out on work after accusing Depp of domestic abuse. The op-ed's clear implication that Mr. Depp is a domestic abuser is categorically and demonstrably false, Depp's lawsuit states. Mr. Depp never abused Ms. Heard. Her allegations against him were false when they were made in 2016. They were part of an elaborate hoax to generate positive publicity for Ms. Heard and advance her career. The lawsuit goes on to say that the allegations made by Heard against Depp were refuted by two separate responding police officers, a litany of neutral third-party witnesses, and 87 newly obtained surveillance camera videos. Ms. Heard is not a victim of domestic abuse, she is a perpetrator, the lawsuit states. The Aquaman actress filed for divorce from the Pirates of the Caribbean star in May 2016, stating that he had been verbally and physically abusive towards her. Their divorce was finalized in January 2017, with Heard later donating a portion of her $7 million divorce settlement to the Children's Hospital Los Angeles. They were married for 15 months before she filed for divorce. Images emerged at the time showing Heard with a bruised eye and face. She claimed Depp threw a phone at her face and struck her in their home. Depp has long denied the allegations and has instead claimed that his ex-wife repeatedly violently attacked and severely injured him. In the defamation lawsuit, Depp claims Heard threw a glass vodka bottle at him and caused the bones in the tip of his right middle finger to shatter. He claims the incident occurred 1 month into their marriage and resulted in him having to have his finger surgically reattached. Ms. Heard then disseminated false accounts of this incident, casting Mr. Depp as the perpetrator of his own injury. Depp claims in the lawsuit that he was dropped from Pirates of the Caribbean just 4 days after Heard's op-ed was published in the Washington Post. Ms. Heard also knew that her elaborate hoax worked. As a result of her false allegations against Mr. Depp, Ms. Heard became a darling of the #MeToo movement, was the first actress named a human rights champion of the United Nations Human Rights Office, was appointed ambassador on women's rights at the American Civil Liberties Union, and was hired by L'Oréal Paris as its global spokesperson.